seem to take a step out. Get some in now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so
What's up, loves? It's your girl Ashaya. Welcome back to another video, and if you're new, welcome. Alright, y'all, since y'all see by that title, y'all see I did these cute soft locks. They came out really cute. I really like these. And hold on, we got new quality. Yes, we got a new camera, so we got better quality. But anyways, I'm not gonna do no more talking. We're gonna get right into this video, so let's get into it. Okay, guys, so I already parted my hair off camera. I did get help from my sister because I wanted these neat, but I'm going in with the Nita Distressed Gorgeous Locks and also the Freetress Pre Fluffed hair. I also have my crochet needle and my coconut oil for the scalp. Okay, y'all, so here y'all see me put coconut oil on my scalp. Gotta moisturize your scalp because if I don't, it's gonna be dry and trying to flake up, and we don't need that. We trying to look cute. But anyways, y'all, I'm just tying my hair up to get it out the way. And y'all, if y'all see these distressed locks out the bag, look at them. Like, look at the texture of them, and they got curls at the bottom. Curls for the girls. Like, come on. Okay, y'all, so I'm taking my crochet needle and I'm putting it through the braid. I'm gonna get the lock and I'm gonna put it through the hoop, as you see, and then you're gonna clip it. Pull the lock through the braid. Once you pull it through, you're gonna see that little loop on the lock, and then you're gonna want to put the hair through that loop, as you see what I'm doing. Not my hand shaking, y'all. I was struggling trying to put that hair through that hoop. But as y'all see, after I put my hair through that hoop, y'all see I tighten it up so the lock won't fall out. Also, I forgot to mention, I didn't crochet the lock all the way to my scalp. You see I did it kind of below. So what that does, it creates like that knotless look with the distress lock. So here I'm just showing you guys one more time how I crochet the hair in. Okay, y'all, so I just finished those two, and I'm just going to repeat the same process around that whole section. So I'm going to speed the video up until it's time for me to wrap the hair around. Okay, y'all, so I just finished that section. This is what it looked like crochet in. So now I'm just going to take my pre-fluffed Freetress hair and I'm going to pull them apart. And make sure you get a good piece, y'all, because y'all don't want it to be too small and then it looks skinny up top. So I'm just going to wrap it around, as you see what I'm doing. And make sure you guys get a real good grip when you wrap it around, because you don't want it too loose, but you don't want it too tight where it's like stiff. So just get like a, I don't know how to explain it. Just grip it. Okay, y'all, so as y'all see, while I'm wrapping it around, I'm still making sure that I'm maintaining that grip at the top, because that's where it's going to look neat at and more flat. So once I get further down, I will kind of loosen that grip so it can match with that actual lock and look distressed. So this is what the lock looks like after me wrapping it up. I'm going to show you guys one more time, and then after that I'm going to speed the video up, and we're just going to do that around the whole head.
my trust in you. What will you do? Will you just step out? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. Just trying to get my
Don't let it go, let it go. Don't let it slip away. Lips first touch, get left in the dust. No room to judge. Talking is a slow child. Lips first touch, get left in the dust. No room to judge. So tonight you should go and take a chance with her. She could be everything you wanted, boy.
Oh, yeah. Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, baby. I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town. Another woman that can take your spotlight.
If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team? Tell me, would you? See, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. My love. My love. I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love. My love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. My love. Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else love me like you do. That's bottom line. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Alright guys, so I'm all done. Y'all, this style came out super duper cute. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And turn your girl post notification bell on so you can be notified every time I post. And I'ma see y'all later.
Baby,